l'air de dormir en fait. Capitale. It's my hello. Je sais pas. C'est le vent, je crois. Zai. Ikaw ba yun, Zai? Butis ka ba talaga? Pinagloloko mo lang ako po kaya ng ino mo. May eme ka. Do you speak French? No. Papalaglag mo yan or ano, gagampanan mo? Alam niyo ako kapag kunwari nalaman ko buntis ako tapos alam kong hindi pa ako ready, papalaglag ko yung anak ko. Don't judge me, okay? Kayo, kung hindi pa naman ako ready na magkaroon ng anak, makasalanan yun. Sinasabi niyo makasalanan, pero putang ina, bakit iniisip niyo ba yung future na magiging anak niyo? Bakit ba kapag akala niyo kaya yung buhay yung anak niyo, sila na naman magiging Binuhay mo yung anak mo para saan? Kung di ka naman ready. Tell me. Parang makasalanan pa rin naman ginawa niyo eh. For what? I'm just saying, meron tayong binuhay niyo para maghirap yung anak niyo, ganun, kasi hindi kayo ready para magkaroon ng anak. Kung ayaw niyo magkaanak, huwag niyo ipuputok sa loob, kasi. Bakit yung pa kasi binuo, di ba? Pag kantot lang. Walang usapang anak. Yeah. Magkakaiba tayo ng mindset, okay? Sinasabi ko lang, natin sa tipong kapag kunwari, nagkaanak tapos pinalaglag, makasalan pag magpapalaglag ka ng anak. Pero ayoko naman yung magiging future na anak ko maghihirap in the future. Kasi hindi pa ako ready. Bubbles, hello. Hindi pa ako ready, tapos parang alam kong hindi magiging maganda yung kinabukasan ng anak ko. Ayoko magiging anak ko, no? Kung ready ka na yun, pwede. Pero kung asa poder ka pa ng magulang, isip-isip din. Ayun na nga, nasa poder pa ako ng magulang ko, kaya isip-isip pa rin ako. Magkakaiba tayo ng mindset. Oo. Lol, ate, dami mo na ipon. Ha? Tsaka ayoko pa magbuntis, no? Dami ko pang gusto ko mag-travel, no? Pag nagkaanak ako, tangina, isip mo na magiging yung anak ko, tapos, ang pagiging nanay, kunwari, pag nagkaroon ka ng anak, parang hindi mo na maiiwan yung anak mo eh. Kunwari, malaki na yung anak mo, tapos mag-travel ka mag-isa, para iisipin mo pa rin nanay. Siyempre, part ng pagiging magulang mo yun, di ba? So, alam mo yun, kaya, gusto ko pa mag-travel, nang hindi nag-worry, na something, nasa tipo pa ako na parang ini-enjoy ko pa yung life ko. Enjoy life. Pero pwede naman natin i-enjoy yung life ng together. Ay, eme. Mr. K, hello. Senior, hello. Ano edad ba plano magka-baby? Siguro kapag mga na ako, pag-settle na. Hello, senior. Or like, parang kapag siguro 30. Kasi kapag 40 na, putang ina, baka mahirapan ako makaanak nun. Baka wag isasarian na lang talaga yung anak ko. Di ko na kayang, ibugabi. Siguro 30. Taka na, may 5 years pa ako, gar. May 5 years pa ako para mag-ipon. Oo. Dahil hello. Yes, how did you know? Because I'm here too. Really? You went... Who's this? Who's senior? Oh, señorito. What 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 country are you? Oh my god, my face. I look like a mess. CIC. ICICIS. Oh, Titi. What country is that? You in Bali now? Yes, sayang. Is that Bibi? Bibi, sayang. Yeah, I'm in Bali right now. I love Bali, sayang. I just want to stay here, I guess. I saw how you want AirPods. I'm too lucky, right? How lucky I am. Tell me. I'm enjoying it, sayang. For real. For real. I was like, no, sorry. Like, there's a Bigo Gala, right? I want Dino. Oh, really? Only? That's why I'm not interested in Dino, and I'm not interested to, like, the watch Apple. I was like, nah. And I hear the fucking headphone Apple. I was like, oh, Jesus. No, for real, I did that shit. And the girl be like, okay, the number was like, starts in 1. I was like, shit. 4. But my 2 friends, they like, the other one is 141, the other one is 142, and I is like 143. So like the 3 of us, okay? It's like, give me that 3, please, 3. She's like, 3. Yeah. This is black. I love black. I mean, I'm not talking about the BBC, okay? I like black earpods, you know. I love it. Yeah, senor. Señorito. So you saw me. What's your name? My name is Fina. Do I look like beautiful in real life, senor? Do I look like... I don't look like this in real life, right? Which part of Bali, sayang? Which part of Bali is this? I don't know, sayang. Senor, which part of Bali is this? Canggu? I guess, yeah, Canggu. I don't know. I go to Villa. Really? I think it's Canggu, sayang. Yeah. How long you're going to stay here, senor? In Bali? Oh, it's Canggu. Canggu, sayang. Canggu. You already woke up? I just started. I just arrived in hotel. Shit. To Bali, Indonesia. Yes, senor also is in here in... We are the same hotel. Yeah. Senor, did you like Bali also? I love Bali. Indonesian people are friendly, like Philippine people. They are caring. They speak English. So I'm not... It's not hard to communicate to them. You go there with who? With broadcasters? We went to club. Which club? Fins? Is that Fins? The beach club? Yeah. You know what? We went to the Fins, right? I was so shocked. They are closing at 12 a.m. Is it good, senor? They closing at 12 a.m. You know, we arrived at the club at 11:45 p.m. Almost 12 a.m. They were like, close soon. It's going to close soon. I was like, huh? At 12 a.m. Really? Sabaya Beach? Later, we are going to go to our Airbnb because we're going to stay here till February 9. But they host from Indonesia. Yes, sayang. I come here with Malaysia. Wait. I don't know you, but so you were in the villa with Krillex, with us in the swimming pool. Is it? One bit of you, sayang. But you're in Jakarta, sayang. You're too far. Okay. Which villa? Secret? It's a secret. Oh yeah, later I'm going to your villa, senor. Oh, I know you. Is that you, Ben? I thought you're sleeping. Sana all. Sama. Sumama. 2 hours lang? Just 2 hours? I think I'm not going to sleep. I'm going to go there to like pass the towel because my friend, she was so